Hi, I'm Jo Wilson, Head of Programmes for Public Health Dorset, working on behalf of Dorset and Bournemouth, Christchurch and Poole councils. Cases of coronavirus remain low in Dorset and Bournemouth, Christchurch and Poole councils. We have started to see a small increase in cases, which is in line with what we are seeing nationally, and it's a reminder that we need to continue to remain vigilant and follow the government guidelines. As schools return, we know it's going to look very different for our children and young people. Parents, teachers and students will feel they may have concerns about returning to school safely, but I'd like to reassure you that Public Health, schools and the local authority have been working really closely together to ensure the safe return of all students this term. Thanks to the hard work of our schools, parents and children returning in the summer term, we didn't see any significant incidents arising from our school settings. If you're a parent and you have concerns about your child returning safely, there is lots of great information and advice on both local council websites. Schools have implemented safety and hygiene measures to keep the risk of transmission in school low. We have processes in place to work with schools to ensure that all the appropriate actions are taken should there be a suspected or positive case. Where there is a positive case in school, close contacts will be contacted to advise them to self-isolate, and Public Health will work closely with schools and the local authority to ensure staff, parents and children receive the communication about the actions they need to take. Schools have been working really hard to ensure they can welcome your children back safely, and now we're asking you to do your part. To ensure that transmission rates remain low in our schools, we need you to follow the government guidelines when you're out and about in the community. This includes keeping 2 metres apart from those that are not in your household, avoiding large gatherings and keeping up that hand washing. Finally, I'd like to remind you of the importance of getting tested if you have any symptoms and self-isolating for 10 days. Members of your household will also need to self-isolate for 14 days, and this may include children, for whom you need to inform the school and let them know that they are self-isolating. If you need a test, you can book one online or you can call 119.